So this is the fridge. Very tiny dent. Fixable if you can pull it out. Beverage center. Autofill water pitcher. Loads of storage. Storage in the door. Cameras to see inside the fridge. Massive amount of storage. 2-zone freezer. Can be kept at 2 different temperatures. Storage in both doors. Move to the screen now. Main feature. All the apps. A lot of them compare with apps on your phone or your Ring cameras. Here's your fridge manager. It tells your filter health. If you want the pitcher to fill automatically or not. This is how you control the temperature of all your zones. This app will show you inside the fridge. The picture will be clearer once the film is removed from the cameras. Sketchpad, write notes. Very cool.